Hey guys, we're back with the challenge. This is like the number 2 of it, basically. So we're back. Yeah, we're back today. And, yeah, we're gonna trade. I will trade for these my main when I'm done with the challenge. Like, if I actually get to a parrot. We're back on this account. This is my Miss Strawberry account. Yeah, you can give me free pets. You can do that. That's not really cheating if you want to do it. And you can friend this account or follow it. Either one is really nice of you. I'll keep the account on Roblox though. It'll just be my old account for grinding and stuff after this. Creating a no potion, red card crane. Oh, cool, grappling hook. What do you do with a grappling hook? Crane. Potion, red card crane. Anybody? Bow tie. Yeah, it looks more fashionable, of course. It looks better than it did. You know, it always looks the exact same. I don't have any pets. Potion Blue Jay. I'm doing a challenge. This is really unsuccessful. Like, I seriously can't trade this Blue Jay. Stirs. Dude, stop asking me to add. They're almost the same exact value. Also, it's not almost the exact same value in my opinion of a Blue Jay. It doesn't have much value. So does the Blue Jay. In 2024, no one cares if you're doing a challenge. They won't trade you. No one cares if you're doing a challenge anymore, which sucks. Wanna be Sorry, found the new online. I just got so mad. Dude, that's boring, I know.